We are going to bring you 100% cottons today. Cottons are so nice for summer. They're so cool. These are embroidered. These are literally embroidered. They're not printed, they're embroidered. This is a beautiful kind of a peachy pink. It's embroidered, so really when you have this, both sides are usable. They're just so pretty. This is a border print. These are just some really unusual fabrics. Hard to find. That's a border print. It's got one border. It runs along the selvage. That pretty 100% cotton. It's kind of on a cream background. Beautiful. Natural colors, but that beautiful blue in there is very pretty. This is a panel print. So one panel is about a yard. It's actually about 40 inches, but we're just going to sell it by the yard. So you can see it runs from the panel runs from selvage to selvage, not along the selvage like the other one did. And then in between, you get this look. So if you get two panels, that's included. I think that's a really cool, that's something to put at the bottom of a dress or a blouse or something. I mean, it's just beautiful. So many ideas. But anyway, that's a border. Again, 100% cotton. This is embroidered. Just the prettiest piece of fabric I think I've seen in a long time. I mean, look at the blues and the browns on that. It's a white background. It's 100% cotton. Just lovely. Really, really pretty. Again, we have 100% cotton. This is a white on white, tone on tone, embroidered. Which these fabrics are just ridiculously pricey. And then we have 100% cotton. This is like a waffle, 100% cotton knit. It's just so pretty. Has stretch in both directions. Very nice, very lightweight, just perfect. So a lot of these we're using in our webcast tomorrow night. So 100% cottons, just unusual fabrics for one reason or another. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.